All right, you guys, so now we're gonna go move on to the valve covers, and we're gonna pull those and replace the gaskets, and while they're off, we're gonna clean them up as well right here. So let's get on it. All right, guys, there is one. All right, guys, I don't know how well you can see this right here, but we're just doing the same thing as the other side, just removing the bolts. They are 1/2 inch, so you can go on ahead and just get a 1/2 inch socket and a ratchet, and you should be able to get them all. All right, you guys, so here are the valve covers. Overall, you know, I'm pretty happy how they turned out. They're not perfect, but they're a heck of a lot better than they were. You know, we took them down to the bare metal, primed it, and then did several coats of paint on it right here. And yeah, it definitely looks a heck of a lot better than it did before. There's just one more thing I'm going to do to these just to take it one step further on it. I picked out these international decals right here for the top of the valve cover to go over the lettering. I've seen it done before in silver, and I thought that was pretty cool. And then I saw one in black, and I really liked that. So I'm going to get these on here. All right, guys, so yeah, I'm definitely liking how these look right here. They're not perfectly cut out right here. They're a little bit off on the lettering right here, but it's pretty close on most of it right here. Yeah, no, I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Yeah, and if it starts to peel off, we can always just pull it off right there. It's just a decal. So, but one thing, if you guys do pick up some of these right here, it's on transfer tape or transfer paper right here. So as you're kind of laying it on there, you're gonna have to kind of be careful not to let the lettering lift up right there. And if it does, you kind of gotta play with that and get it back down. So, yeah, no, I'm definitely liking how this looks right here. We'll get the other one on. All right, you guys, so there they are with the vinyl on them right here. You know, overall, I like the look of it. Again, you know, it's not perfect on all the letters right here, but it's pretty close. Yeah, I'm definitely pretty happy with it. You know, if it starts peeling off or anything like that, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked with that right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if you like that or not. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this video today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up right here, some cool projects, as well as some cool shop updates here for you guys. So stick around, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you.